How to change the sound output in Windows 11. In this guide, I'll show you how to change where your sound plays from on your laptop or computer. First, go to the taskbar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, right-click on the volume icon and select Sound Settings. Next, go to the Output section and choose the device you want your sound to play through. For example, your laptop speakers may be selected, but you can switch to your headphones if you prefer. After selecting your device, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Now open the Playback tab and make sure the device you want to use is turned on and enabled. You can do this by right-clicking on your speakers or headphones and selecting Enable. Also, make sure the correct output device is set as the default device. Simply select the device and click Set Default. This will make your chosen speakers or headphones the default output device. Finally, right-click on the volume icon again and select Open Volume Mixer. Scroll through the list of apps, and if a specific app is having sound issues, click the drop-down arrow next to it, and make sure the correct output device is selected there as well. And that's how you can change the sound output device in Windows 11.